what go on with people? So Anthony Miller interviewed King Jammins. And people, King Jammins, this guy is like the root of dancehall. You know what I mean? And that's what he was saying about the slang thing rhythm, because Kelly most recently was on stage with Winfred Williams talking about being around King Jammins and seeing all these machines and was fascinated by it. But people, King Jammins is the real root of dancehall and where it is now. As he said, it was a new evolution for the guys that was coming into dancehall. You know what I mean? So right now, he personified dancehall in a lot of ways, because Evil Cartel mentioned King Jammins in one of the lyrics, and he must say, "Girl crown me king like Jammins and Tubbies." You know what I mean? That's when he said that, he mean King Jammins and King Tubbies. You know what I mean? So big up yourself, King Jammins. You see me? Because he was showing Anthony Miller all of the archives of things that he had when he was back in the days working with all people like Dennis Brown. You know what I mean? So it's a lot of history. You see me? So this man is still alive, and if he's still alive and well, we have to big him up and not wait till he's gone. You see me? So big up yourself, King Tom Jammins, and the whole of the kingdom, a dancehall and reggae. You see me? Peace. I'm out.
Country, you have to look on. And him do great works too, because even though him the jail, him still be the champion DJ boy, and some boy will say them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winfred Williams. Take me on that if you wish.